Stop everything you're doing right now. What you're about to see is happening right now. And it's the most exclusive drone testing program in history. A drone that literally erases itself from existence, making it look like it's floating through the sky completely invisibly. But here's what's driving me crazy. While you're watching this video, a select group of incredible drone pilots are testing this drone through the month of September 2025. And the footage they're creating, it's about to change everything we know about aerial cinematography. Before you think this is just some random startup promising the moon, let me blow your mind. Antigravity isn't just backed by Insta360, they are Insta360's secret drone division. 10 years, over 50 patents. The same team that revolutionized 360 cameras just spent 3 years in stealth mode, perfecting something that will make every other drone obsolete overnight. And the craziest part? They're not even planning a public launch. This co-creation program might be the only way regular people ever get their hands on one. 3 weeks ago, leaked footage started appearing on private drone forums. Shots that defied physics. A drone following a motorcycle through narrow canyon roads, but you never see the drone. A perfect orbital shot around a skyscraper that looks like it was filmed by a ghost. Creators were calling it fake, CGI, impossible. Then the whispers started. Insta360 had done it. They'd solved the holy grail of drone photography, complete invisibility. Not through some gimmick or post-production trick, but through revolutionary, dual camera technology that literally erases the drone from every single frame. Here's how they broke the law of physics. The Antigravity A1 has dual 8K cameras, one pointing up, one pointing down. Advanced AI stitching technology maps every pixel in real time, completely removing the drone from a 360-degree sphere. What you're left with is pure cinematic footage that looks like you've hired a Hollywood crew with a $100,000 cable cam system. But it gets even more insane. The vision goggles let you fly in ways that were literally impossible before. Look left while flying forward. Tilt your head up to see the clouds while the drone maintains its path. It's like your consciousness leaves your body and floats through the sky, completely disconnected from the actual flight path. The 47 creators testing this right now, they're not allowed to show the drone. They're not allowed to mention it by name, but their footage is speaking volumes. Travel YouTuber Skywanderer just posted a video that got 2.3 million views in 48 hours. And everyone's trying to figure out how she filmed it. A wedding photographer used it on a celebrity wedding. One flight, 12 different angles, perfect footage every time. As he said, this isn't just drone footage and an upgrade, it's a career upgrade. The waiting list is already starting to grow for those creators who already have access. But here's what nobody's talking about. This drone is also about to make flying safer than ever before. At exactly 249 grams, it skips registration requirements in most countries. But the real genius? Built-in payload detection that automatically grounds the drone if anyone tries to attach anything extra. This isn't just preventing accidents. It's preventing the bad actors that are ruining drones for everyone. Antigravity literally built a system that makes it impossible to misuse or abuse their technology. They're not just protecting their users, they're protecting the entire industry. Now, here's the part that's been driving me crazy for a week and why I had to finally make this video. The co-creation program wasn't just about getting a free drone, it's about joining the inner circle of the most revolutionary drone company on Earth. They selected 100 people worldwide to become this test pool of co-creators. This is a private group that's going to be directly shaping the future of drone technology. There's even a $20,000 reward pool that'll be going to these participants. And these participants are industry professionals, influencers with millions of followers, commercial operators with decades of experience. And I hate to tell you, it's not going to be you and it's not going to be me because the window closed September 1st or August 31st. So we are now in the testing phase. So September 1st through the end of the month, they're going to be testing, and then we'll see what's coming next. And let me be crystal clear about what's about to happen. Every major drone manufacturer is scrambling right now. DJI's emergency meetings, Skydio's panic mode. Because when 360-degree invisible drones become the mainstream, everything else becomes obsolete. We're not talking about a gradual shift. We're talking about a complete industry reset. Wedding photographers charging triple rates. Real estate agents creating listing videos that look like movie trailers. Content creators creating footage that was literally impossible 6 months ago. The early adopters, the people who get access through this program, they're not just getting a head start. They're not just getting a drone. They're getting a 2-year head start on the biggest aerial revolution since drones were invented. Here's what I haven't told you yet. Antigravity has already turned down partnerships with 3 major networks and a streaming platform worth 8 figures. They don't need publicity, they don't need hype. They have more demand than they can handle for the next 2 years. This co-creation program, it's them being generous with their technology before they disappear behind exclusive contracts and enterprise deals. After this program ends, probably the next time you'll see one of these A1 drones will be on a $200 million movie set or in the hands of a creator who got in early. So here's where we stand. The testing program, this phase is going through the end of September. The applications are closed, but that doesn't mean you're completely out of the game. Antigravity.tech/hub is still active. And while you can't apply for the current program, you can go on the waitlist for what comes next. Will there be another opportunity for individual creators? No one knows. But your chances of hearing about it are exactly 0 if you're not on their radar. Don't be the person watching someone else's A1 footage 6 months from now thinking, what if? Be the person who is ready when the next opportunity opens. The link is in the description, the testing is happening now, and the future of drone photography is being written while the rest of us watch and wait. Now, if you want help with starting the business with the drone you do have, feel free to click below. Of course, like and subscribe always helps me out and helps me keep bringing you this very important information. Hope you get time to fly today.